Hello besties, welcome to today's class. Please watch this video to the end. You're going to learn a lot. Jamb 2026 physics question of the day. You're going to learn a lot today. A shooter starts to fire a bullet in such a way that its horizontal range is equal to 3 times its maximum height. At what angle should he fire the bullet to achieve this? Okay, let's write out everything we are given, then we'll think of what are we expected to do. We have the range. This is under projectiles. The range is, this is what problem, 3 times the maximum height. So you are expected to know the formula for range. Remember, range is u squared sine 2 theta over g. This is the formula for range. Is equal to, this is 3 times the formula for maximum height is u squared sine squared theta over 2g. So we are going to solve this to get what we are looking for, which is the angle theta. If we take this and this, you can do that to clear the fraction. This times this is equal to this times this. Or you can use this easy and short method. Just learn it from me today. That since this side is equal to this, g will go with g, u square will go with u square. Remember, you have to use the shortest means because it's CBT. You need to be very fast. So we are left with sine 2 theta is equal to 3 over 2 sine squared theta. So we have that sine 2 theta is equal to 3 over 2 sine squared theta. Okay, so we can multiply 2 to both sides times 2 so that we can clear the 2 there. If we do that, 2 will cancel 2. We have 2 sine 2 theta is equal to 3 sine square theta. Now what do we do next? The next thing we have to do is to replace sine 2 theta. For those offering further maths, sine 2 theta is equal to what? Drop it in the comment section. You're going to see that sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. Please, this is a constant, a non-trig ratio. You're going to replace sine 2 theta with 2 sine theta cos theta. So if we take the whole of this place and multiply 2 to this, we are going to have it that 2 sine theta cos theta times 2 is equal to 3 sine squared theta. Okay, we'll go ahead and solve it. And have it that 4 sine theta cos theta is equal to 3 sine squared theta. So we can, sine theta will cancel 1 sine theta, so that we'll have that 4 cos theta is equal to 3 sine theta. So let's divide both sides by cos theta. Divide here by cos theta divided by cos theta. Cos theta will cancel cos theta. Okay, let's divide both sides by 3 cos theta. So that 3 we're left with sin theta cos theta. So we'll have it that 4/3 is equal to tan theta, because sin theta over cos theta will give us tan theta. And this is 1.333 is equal to tan theta. Then theta will be tan inverse of 1.33. So let's take the tan inverse of 1.33. So that theta will be 53 degrees. So what you're going to do now, please resolve this from the beginning, resolve it on your own and see if you will get this answer. If you're able to get it on your own after watching this video, please drop in the comment section. I did it on my own and expect more videos. Thank you.